Hi, and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this is a collab. I don't want to say anime makeup, I don't want to say Toots and Tunes. Okay, it's kind of Toots and Tunes. It's anime makeup Toots, everything. Um, but what this is a collab with my friend Ayman, aka Ayman MUA, or Thekillermonsta. Um, Honestly, Thekillermonsta is the main one. Anyway, we're doing a collab based off one of our songs that whenever I was in Texas, they put this song. Ooh, sorry, something just out of my eye. Ow. They put on this song and we both just started like belting out, and it is the greatest thing by Lady Gaga and Cher. And I'm glad I filmed my intros last because I'm feeling like I'm gonna start tearing up. Um, and honestly, this was last night, so this was as Hurricane Dorian was passing over my house, or the outer bands. We were talking, and we were just like, well, why don't we do a collab? I was like, what theme? And then out of nowhere, I came to me, I'm like, let's do like our favorite Gaga songs as looks. And that was going to be a multi-look thing. That was going to be a lot of fun. But then I was like, wait, there's one. And it's kind of perfect. And it's the greatest thing. Now, you might be looking and like, why is this so calm for something that's so big with Cher and Gaga? It's because, well, it was unreleased. And I feel like it didn't have a chance to shine. Kind of like this. And the greatest thing I'm going to talk about later, and why I chose like some of the things that I did. And yeah, so you're going to hear that later at the end of the video, but it's mainly growth, warmth with love, fun, things like that. And those are some of the greatest things, as well as my friends. And I'm so honored that Ayman wanted to do this with me. So I don't know when their stuff is going up, but I wanted to have this video out because it is also my birthday. The day that you're seeing this video, it is my 23rd birthday. So happy birthday to me. I'll be out and about. You'll probably be seeing it on my stories. And yeah, I just want to have a lot of fun with this today. I really did. Now I feel like I'm gonna go cry. I need to go. I know I'm rambling, so I'm gonna stop sinking into this video. But another thing that I say is the greatest thing is having you guys here, and I really do mean that. So thank you to everyone who likes my videos, who comments, who's subscribed. I know as of filming this right now, we're at 399, and I'm so grateful for every one of you. You truly are the greatest thing. And to all my friends that support me and love me, thank you. If it would have been my choice, I would have done a giveaway to celebrate my birthday, but money is a little tight. I say that after you guys know I spent like a lot on foundations, but that's because I'm trying to also do more reviews. I'm also trying to do more covers. I'm trying to diversify what I do here. So, yeah, this is a new beginning, kinda. So this is a turning point. I'm feeling like I'm going to start crying because I am, again, so grateful for all of you. And the love and support that you guys give me, it just means so much. So, yeah. Again, I'm going to stop rambling so you can get into this video. And just know I'm sorry, there's no giveaway this year for my birthday. There will be one coming up soon, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Because it's an interactive giveaway. That's all I'm going to say. That's all the only hint I'm going to give. But yeah. So, let's go and enjoy. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my primer and set the base, and I did not do my brows yet because I'm liking this thing where I'm doing them after I do my foundation and everything. so I don't have to go back in and like redo them. So, brows are not done, but I did real quickly set the base using Free Spirit from the, this is the Rustic Lamb palette, and we're going to be using the Rustic Lamb palette today. Real quickly, I am actually just going to be very nude on this look, mainly. Hold on, let me get you out a little bit. There we go, a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is dip into fringe and place that high into the crease. So now I'm going to dip into the shade Desert Queen and place that just below. Now we're going to dip into Suede and place that just below. Like I said, we're doing a very like natural-ish look. Okay, so I'm loving how this is looking. Just want to say, this definitely feels like a different formula from her Berries and Cream palette, because this one is noticeably more powdery, is more kick up in the pan. Sometimes it's a little less pigmented, so it does take a little bit building up, but the blend is incredible. The blend was incredible on her Berries and Cream palette. Just wanted to say about this one, it's a little, I don't know, I have mixed feelings about this. But now we're gonna, on a dry lid, we're gonna dip into Bohemian and Wanderlust. The reason I'm taking them on a dry lid is because I actually really just want this to be soft. I want to use liner, but I don't know what type or what color. So I'm gonna go decide that, do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back, and I do just have to say, I'm loving how this is looking so far. I do want to say I have something I did kind of give a poor review. I'm trying it again just to see, and that is the Shiseido. This is the Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Concealer. I wanted to try it with eyeshadow just to see how it wears with that. Plus, I'm also trying something before I do the actual wear test, and that is the Pat McGrath. This is the Skin Fetish Sublime Foundation in light medium 12. I'm loving how this is looking, very like medium. I know on camera it's going a little more full, but it's looking really nice. And these two play together really well. And I'm actually using a different primer too, so it's like a whole lot of new all at once. Anyway, we're gonna go back to the eyes. And real quickly, just to start, I'm gonna go into that deeper brown that I use, Suede, and just run that on the outer third of my eye. So now we're going to dip into Cactus and run that along the rest of the lower lash line. Now we're going to take French just to blend it, and yeah. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to be using the Kevin & Kwan. This is the Neo Highlighter in Sahara, which is actually what I have on my face today, which is so natural looking. Now, I don't know what I want to use in the waterline. I'm thinking of either Nude Beige by L'Oreal or White by NYX. Yeah, let's have fun with it. I'm going to go with White by NYX. This is the waterproof rechargeable eyeliner. Now we're going to move on to lips, and for lipstick today I want to use this beauty. This is from Estee Lauder. It's the Pure Color in the Liquid Matte in 201 Heart Crush. I have not worn this in so long. Okay, I say that, but I got this not too long ago. Okay, keep in mind, last time I wore this color was when I was working at Macy's, which was in December of last year. So, actually no. Well, that was when I first wore. Anyway. I feel like I still need to do something else, so. Did I grab a gloss? No, I did not. I need to grab a gloss. Hold on, I need to go find a gloss real quickly. Okay. Gonna use Jeffree Star the gloss in Safe Word. I know you're probably thinking, okay, that green with this, but there's a reason this is my favorite gloss. It goes with everything. I'm gonna go let down my hair, set my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are at the final look. I did earlier forget to put on bottom lash mascara because I'm using a mascara I haven't used in a while, and it has a dedicated little thing for it, so I was like, you know what, I haven't used it, let's do it. Then here we are with the final look. Honestly, this song means so much to me. It's a collaboration between two artists that have majorly influenced my life. So because of that, I had to go with colors that influence my life. Warmth for love. Green, just to remember to grow. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, the liner was just for fun. But this is just remembering that the greatest thing is always to come. And that sometimes your friends can be the greatest things that happen to you, too. I know this is coming out on my birthday. I'm gonna be with my friends, so yeah. Definitely, I know that one for real. I can definitely say the greatest thing that happened to me is my friends. So, yeah. I need to go before I start crying. Because I know this mascara is good for lower lashes, but it's not waterproof. So, yeah. I don't know when Ayman is posting their part of the collab, because we didn't discuss that, and I said I was going to film this immediately, so sorry Ayman, I love you! But yeah, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me, you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time we do a video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I hope you have a good rest of your day wherever you are, and don't forget, the greatest thing, actually, that's a good one. You guys, my subscribers, my followers, everything, you are the greatest thing to me. Yeah. And my friends. So, I'm really proud to have this out as a birthday tutorial, video thing, collab, everything in one. So yeah. I'm gonna go and yeah, have a good rest of your day or night, whatever. Bye.